Alright, guys, here we go. This is 3948 or number 91. Premium pack football. Alright, let's get it on. Actually, this is 3948. Or no, this will be 91. Because we did Sony spots on eBay. Alright, 5 times. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times. 4, 5. And 45. Okay. Premium jersey 16, full size lid 3 divisions, 45 on the premium pack. Alright. Alright. 45. 45. Oh. $45. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, 2 Bear 68 2, Jared Branch 5, Jen Tatum 5, Jay-Z 5, Josh 2, Jared Branch 5, Jeff 4, Josh Pugh with 4. Alright, 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Jeff Britt, you're on top. Jared Branch, you're on the bottom there, 5 times. Alright. Alright, Jared Branch, Falcons, Boys, Lions, Texans, Colts, Chiefs, Raiders, Dolphins, Vikings, Redskins. Jeff Britt, Cardinals, Ravens, Patriots, Eagles. Jen, Bengals, Broncos, Rams, Seahawks, Titans. Josh, Bears, Saints, Giants, Jets, Steelers, Niners. Jay-Z, Panthers, Packers, Jags, Chargers, Bucks. 2 Bear, Bills, and Browns. Any trades there, guys? Let me know. Any trades? Let me know. Alright, let's get it. No trades. 45 out of 140. eBay, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. It is a Josh Allen Donruss rookie. Nice. Josh Allen. Josh Allen's getting hot. King of the AFC East. Buffalo Bills. Okay. Buffalo Bills. That's going to go to 2 Bear 68. Alright, 2 Bear 68. There you go, man. You got yourself the Josh Allen Donruss rookie. 2 Bear 60 pants. Okay. All right, so let's see. Jared Branch, free spot for you. For getting 10. All right, see if anyone else is joining in the bonus break here. Once, twice, three times. 4 times, 5 times, and Joshua Pugh, free spot for you. You and Jared. Each getting free spots. Good. Into premium pack, or that's 91. Into bonus break, 282. Okay. Okay. Very good there, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good one. Please subscribe and turn on notifications again. 3 divisions left. Full size lit. Dang.